Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with IndyWX.com just before the 6 o'clock hour, and we're taking a look at the latest visible satellite image just to our west. Wanted to show you the area of low pressure, just kind of pinwheeling here, if you will, across northern Missouri, moving into southern Iowa. And this is just helping to pull up bands of light rain, scattered showers into the area as we go to take a look at the latest radar. Nothing widespread, nothing heavy. We never expected any sort of heavy rainfall. But as we move forward through the rest of the evening into the overnight and into Tuesday morning, we will notice another push of moisture into central Indiana. I'm going to pause this just around the 2-3 o'clock hour as another batch of showers, maybe some embedded heavier showers at that, begin to lift north through central Indiana between 2-3 o'clock. And as we look at the simulated radar from the NAM, in pretty good agreement as well with that. That will then translate into a breezy, chilly, damp Tuesday afternoon before temperatures really begin to fall Tuesday night as cold air moves in from the west. So we're looking again here now at the simulated radar off of the high-resolution NAM. Putting this into motion again will show those areas of showers during the overnight lifting through central Indiana. And then as we put it on into motion tomorrow afternoon again, noticing some scattered showers, drizzle around the area with gusty winds and colder air moving in here tomorrow evening, setting up what will be a dry and cold midweek stretch before we turn our attention to what lies ahead for the weekend. Again, tomorrow as we go through the daytime, temperatures mostly in the lower to middle 40s for the most part, holding pretty steady in the lower to middle 40s before really falling off quickly tomorrow night into the upper 30s tomorrow evening, and then into the really the mid to upper 20s tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. We don't really have any changes on our thinking yet. We posted several times on our Twitter account and also online with at IndyWX.com about our overall thinking for the weekend storm. And we do think it's going to be an impactful event. Right now, our idea is that an area of low pressure will move out of the mid-Mississippi Valley into the Ohio Valley before weakening and transferring its energy to the mid-Atlantic coast, and eventually that area of low pressure will take over and be the big player for the Northeast region over the second half of the weekend. Right now we target Saturday for the threat of accumulating snow across central Indiana. Anything further than that really is foolish to speculate on at this point. We've made mention of forecast models that will provide just a variety of different solutions between now and the end of the week, and we've seen some of that already today with inconsistencies between the models themselves and obviously other model solutions. And as a whole, we really can't change our idea of, again, one area of low pressure moving into the Ohio Valley, while a secondary area of low pressure forms along the mid-Atlantic coast. Again, Saturday appears to be the best day for the chance of accumulating snow across central Indiana. We'll have to fine-tune amounts and exactly where the heavy axis of snow sets up in the days ahead. What we do also want to mention is that this is not just a one-hit situation coming up this weekend. We've got several opportunities at winter weather in the mid and long range, and really, if the timing is right, may actually deal with another winter event around Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, depending exactly, again, on timing as we move forward. That would then be followed by what would likely be a large chunk of Arctic air moving in to wrap up the month and open up the new year. So lots to look at as we move forward. Just wanted to touch on that briefly with, again, some of our latest thinking concerning the weekend and then the all-important Christmas week ahead. Going quickly to your latest IndyWX.com 7-day forecast. We will fine-tune this later on tonight with a new forecast post on IndyWX.com. Again, showers around tomorrow, steady temperatures in the lower to middle 40s before falling late tomorrow evening, setting up a dry and cold midweek stretch, and then eyeing the weekend centered on Saturday for the chance of accumulating snow. Guys, have a great evening. We'll talk with you soon.